Top 10 Best Places to Visit in the United States of America. 1. New York City. From the iconic Statue of Liberty to the bustling streets of Manhattan, New York City is truly a remarkable place to visit. With its world-class museums, top-notch restaurants, and endless entertainment options, there's always something new to explore. 2. Las Vegas. For a wild and glamorous weekend, Las Vegas is the place to be. Whether it's gambling or shows, there's something for everyone in Vegas. 3. Grand Canyon. Located in Arizona, the Grand Canyon is one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders in the world. With its vibrant colors, deep canyons, and breathtaking vistas, the Grand Canyon is an unforgettable experience. 4. Washington, D.C. As the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. is full of history and culture. From the White House to the National Mall, D.C. offers a variety of attractions for visitors. 5. San Francisco. From the iconic Golden Gate Bridge to the hilly streets of the city, San Francisco is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. 6. Los Angeles. Whether you're looking for a relaxing beach day or an exciting night on the town, Los Angeles has it all. With its warm weather, world-class restaurants, and celebrity sightings, Los Angeles is an exciting destination. 7. Hawaii. From the stunning beaches of Oahu to the lush rainforest of Kauai, Hawaii offers something for everyone. With its tropical climate, warm hospitality, and exotic cuisine, Hawaii is a wonderful place to visit. 8. Yellowstone National Park. One of the most iconic national parks in the United States, Yellowstone is home to some of the most stunning landscapes in the country. With its geysers, hot springs, and abundant wildlife, Yellowstone is an unforgettable experience. 9. Chicago. As one of the most vibrant cities in the Midwest, Chicago is an exciting place to visit. With its world-class museums, top-notch restaurants, and endless entertainment options, Chicago is a great destination for any traveler. 10. Miami. From the trendy South Beach to the colorful Art Deco buildings, Miami is full of life and culture. With its vibrant nightlife, beautiful beaches, and Cuban-inspired cuisine, Miami is a great place to visit. No matter where you choose to visit in the United States, you're sure to have an unforgettable experience. With its diverse landscapes, vibrant cities, and endless attractions, the United States has something for everyone.